Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's JDoll here on JDoll's channel. And why I'm on the floor, you may be asking? Well, because my videos, about to get a whole lot better. Now, this right here is the ring light that I got. I've been waiting to record more videos until I got this so my quality could be A1, but I'm about to do an unboxing video for you guys right now, so sit tight and watch me do what I do, okay? I'm going to get this bad boy open, and then I'm going to pick it back up. So go ahead and watch my intro for about 10 seconds, and this bad boy will be open. Hey y'all, before I get this video going, I just want to go ahead and tell y'all what y'all want to know. This is the Neewer ring light. It's about 18 inches big. I got this off Amazon. It was originally $135, and I'll put a picture right there. But I got this for $65, I want to say. I ordered this through Prime. I ordered it on Friday, and I got it on Sunday. Today is Sunday. I just got it not too long ago, so I had to hurry up and do this video for y'all. How'd I get this for $60? Basically what I did, every time I buy something online, I always look for a coupon code. So I just went on Google, typed in the coupon. I said Neewer ring light coupon code, you know, whatever, and the coupon took half the price off. So it took $69 off. Like I said, I only paid $65, so even though it's not half, it's about half. And yeah, so we're just gonna go ahead. I'm gonna send you guys to the next clip, which is me unboxing it, fixing it up, and yeah, that's it. And I know I look a little dusty, but I just got this ring light and I just had to show you guys. So stick around, stay tuned, and watch that next clip. So I think the ring light is in here. It comes in this case, Neewer, with the trademark sign right there. Ooh. Got my ring light, babies. Oh my gosh. Hey, this real life. This is real deal. Okay. Oh, I'm trying to turn it on. Where's the plug? Where's the cord? But okay. So this is my travel case for my ring light, so that's that. Oh, let me show y'all how big it is. Remember, I'm not that big, so head to chest, you know, bigger than my body. Yeah. Okay, so this came, it didn't come in any wrapping or anything. It just came like that. Maybe they could fix that, but maybe this stuff doesn't need to be protected. I don't know. I feel like this right here would be the tripod, like the stand, and it is. Y'all, when you hear me grunting and stuff, that's because this stuff is heavy, okay? This right here looks like it's a stand for a camera, because right there got the little thing to screw in. Hold on, let me take it out so y'all can see. So it comes with that little adjustment thing right there, and then the part at the top, yeah, that you screw in. Next on my list is to get me a camera, okay? Because I got the ring light, now I need the camera to make it official. This right here looks like another adjustment thing. Yep. And of course, this looks like the base of my tripod. Now onto this piece. This is the last little box that came in here. I have failed to see any. Oh, where are my scissors? Yeah, I don't have any big girl scissors. I just got the little bitty babies. But yeah, I have failed to see any instructions. So I hope the instructions are in here. If not, I'm gonna have to play handy manny. Aha! Okay. Oh, y'all, it comes with a remote. Look, this is a remote so you can control it when it's on the tripod. Okay, cool. And it comes for iOS and Android. So y'all filming y'all videos on Androids, they got you covered. Okay. This right here, oh, okay. This right here tells you all that should come in here so you can make sure you have everything in there. The ring light, the stand, the actual lights, the bag, the cords, all that. Now we looking good with some instructions. Okay. Oh, see y'all, look at me. Oh. Well, hold on. Let me not. Because I don't want to break this. And I just got this. Oh, let me show you what else. This came in there. And I think this goes in here. Yeah. Oh, yes. This is what. Thank you. Because, y'all, I don't have a camera. I record on my phone. So, this comes with the, you know, you put your phone on there. That's that. And here are the lights. Well, no, the lights are over there. But, you know, the light filters, I guess you would call these. I don't know the proper name. Yeah. And that's all that came in this box. Okay, so right here I just went ahead and sped this video up because I'm just assembling it, putting together the instructions. They kind of helped, but it did take a little bit of mind power, like I said, to go ahead and get this bad boy in motion. And yeah, so just go ahead and watch me finish putting this together. Just a couple seconds, I'll be finished. Okay guys, so I got it built up. It took a little mind work, but I got it. The instructions, they kind of help, but I feel like they need just a little bit more detail on them because, you know, some people, they don't have, let me not talk about people, but yeah. So next I'm going to put these bad boys in. I'm going to figure out how to do that, and just be back in 1 second. Okay, so I got these snapped on. They're pretty easy to snap on, snap off. And they kind of snap like under each other. You'll see. Here, I'll show you with these orange ones. Like you can see the little grooves. So where they like are supposed to connect together underwards or underneath. So now I'm about to prop it up over here because I usually film over here. But now that I got a ring light, I can film anywhere in the house. But no, I got the outlet right there and my window right there. So I'm going to shift this over there. And we'll be in a new location in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. This is the part of my room y'all don't see. But here's my ring light. It comes pretty high. And the power switch is right here. Yeah, I can't see because the window right there. But let's get this bad boy. Oh. Shoot now. Okay, yeah, y'all, my room just got so much brighter. Like, look. Okay, now let me show y'all what. Oh, shoot. I can't be looking at that light for too long. Look at it without and look at it with. Y'all, I got that Instagram room for real. That YouTube room for real. Okay, so I'm about to put my phone in the ring light and then y'all can see what we really working with. Okay, y'all. Ooh. Alright, this is me. No ring light, no nothing. Just regular schmegular. Now we gonna turn this bad boy off. Hold on, I'm giving y'all all types of face. I'm giving y'all new light. I'm giving y'all reborn. I'm giving you everything you need to see. Okay, the quality of my video is about to be much better. Much better. Yay. Oh, what was that noise I just made? But y'all, look, hold on, let me, oh, this is bright. That's all the way. This is none. Here we go. Ooh. Ah, yeah. What's up, YouTube? But okay, so that's my ring light. Yes, I really like this ring light. The light is so good. I haven't even tried the yellow ones yet, the orange ones, but I really don't even like that look. If y'all want to see the orange ones, comment down below. Thank you so much for watching my video today. and get this ring light because it's lit. Okay. But thanks for watching my video. If you like this video, you already know what to do. Comment, like, and subscribe. Underneath this video, you can do that all right here. Also, you can do it on the little, like when my face pop up. I don't know when it's gonna pop up, but whenever it pop up, click on that and you'll subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this. Can't wait for you guys to watch my next videos. I'll see you guys soon, and that's it. So